$200,000 US on bring it or leave. That is news are ever and then from the camp of Samartex. Samartex say player your friend Evans Osei WUSU omu leading maskman, even though say a likely so ombeje Champions League no na so omu Champions League no kromo you ready to cash out with $200,000. That is news are ever. When you say player no a player in the local market there a Kotoko and oda Kotoko so that is Evans Osei WUSU, the leading Samartex scorer. Meanwhile, Prince Kobina WUSU also at the Kumasi Asante Kotoko no so. But catch say this year no at the end of this particular season no ever shall see be a likely say Kotoko Benya one of the WUSUs. Yes, one of the WUSUs. Unim say Mukwala no say no a certain say obeko at the end of the season, but there is another report say Mukwala one ha obetimi I stand for Kotoko for 1 year and no on the low key minims and a girlfriend be obenya no krom ha who bibi aguna so masa emu de still na atena 1 year man atena there, and also another information. But in the event say Mukwala kwa Kotoko consider say o may replace Mukwala with 2 strikers, because Mukwala kono infege nsobeko nti Kotoko say in the African market no ombepe an equally player bia ni stage no so to say Mukwala na level ne to say Mukwala no waba na in the local market no so they go for the very best in the Ghanaian domestic market, and no akoye player of that screen so Evans Osei WUSU and Prince Kobina WUSU the ono one se Kotoko no bebo and na ama Kotoko deal no so likely no na Samartex for no aye o madwen say player no obe free Samartex $200,000 agent bi okrom ha wa list number of players or the more countries with Egypt, Libya, Algeria, and Sudan. This particular player my imagine say omo de ne be call Egypt. Na Egyptian club na imagine say omo $150,000. And a Samartex I say no, bring it or leave $200,000 for this particular player Evans Osei WUSU. Sa deal na antintam na Kotoko nso betima ye ward there. Omo hu ni say the best offer locally there. Ebe for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, because Kotoko no nya ba pe ni no ebe tam se be there ho. So unya form ba gumienu abo se Kotoko supporters say your friend the Blasters. Muzi a friend now market value kosoro. It's a crop ya no difference no. It's a 200,000 for Egypt one deals. No say no am far. Kotoko deal ne dey enye 200,000. Enye 200,000 be negotiable.